Classic Chariots on the 78 here in beautiful Vista, just off the Emerald Drive exit on 78. If you haven't been to Vista, you're really missing things. Look at this beautiful Nissan Titan 4-door crew cab, Super Crew, whatever you want to call it. It's got the nice billet grille. Look at those beautiful rims on this beautiful Nissan Titan. It's got the running boards, and look at those rims again. Jeez, I don't even know what size those are, but they are just beautiful. Nice tires. It's the LE edition. It's got the backup sensors. She's got the tow package, the sprayed-in bed liner, the sliding rear window. Nice, clean, original California car. We're at www.classichariots.net. This LE has got the leather. It's got the pedal adjusters. It's got the built-in stuff on the steering wheel. It's got the power windows. It's got the power mirrors, the power door locks. It's got the navigation so you don't get lost. The Rockford Fosgate CD changer in dash. It's got the nice climate control, the dual heated seats. Look how crisp and clean this interior is. It's got the cup holders, cruise control. It's got the compass temperature gauge. This vehicle has it all. Oh my gosh, and look at that sunroof, moonroof. The nice DVD player for the kids in the back seat, or who knows who. Check it out. It's got the screen. It's got the auxiliary hookup there for the headphones. And look how beautiful, nice, and clean this V8 Nissan engine is. You can practically eat off it. This is just another fine vehicle at www.classichariots.net here in Vista. Right off the freeway, right on the price. Look at all the vehicles we have to choose from here. www.classichariots.net. Classic Chariots on the 78, the Emerald Drive exit. And remember, we're right next door to Boomer, so if you swing into Classic Chariots, you got a place to leave your children for a little while. And that's next door to Primo's. They got the best barbecue in Vista. Just look for the smoke, and you'll find Classic Chariots. Cash for clunkers going on. Classic Chariots.